Hello guys and welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I will show you step by step how to restrict and filter inappropriate content in the TikTok app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar type TikTok. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, so you don't face any problems while changing the settings. Once the update is complete, open the TikTok app. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Here, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Next, tap on Restricted Mode and turn it on. This feature helps limit the appearance of content that may not be suitable or appropriate for everyone. You can also choose and adjust the type of content you don't want to see, so your feed becomes cleaner and more family-friendly. If you ever want to turn restricted mode off, you can follow the same steps and simply disable it from the same menu. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.